Masts are used to carry sails. They are supported by various stays known collectively as rigging. Booms are attached to masts at the gooseneck, a joint which allows the boom to pivot both horizontally and vertically. The luff edge of the sail is the furthest forward, and the leech is the furthest edge aft. The bottom of the sail, which runs along the boom, is called the foot. The edges of the head sail have the same names. It is always the furthest forward edge that is the luff. The corner of the sail opposite the foot is called the head. The other two corners are the tack, which is attached near the gooseneck on the mainsail and near the bow on the head sail, and the clew, which is the furthest aft corner. The line which is attached at the head of the sail is called the halyard. In fact, a halyard is any rope which pulls up or down. It might be for a sail or, for example, a flag. In this case, as it is pulling up the mainsail, this line is known as the main halyard. The main halyard pulls up the mainsail and controls the tension of the luff edge. The line which is attached at the clew is called the outhaul. It hauls out the sail towards the end of the boom. The outhaul also controls the tension of the foot of the sail. The kicker is a line connected from the boom to the foot of the mast. It is used to control the height of the boom and can be used to add or remove curve from the leech. The two most common types of sail are slab reef and furling. Slab reef sails are pulled up from the boom using the halyard. They are called slab reefing because they are reefed or reduced in size in slabs using reefing lines which pull the sail down and keep part of it on the boom. Furling sails remain up most of the time and are then wrapped and unwrapped. Mainsails are usually in-mast furling, which means the sail is furled in the mast and pulled out for use. Furling headsails are wrapped around the forestay when not in use. They are pulled out using a line called a sheet. Furling sails are reefed by rolling away part of the sail. Yachts may have a number of different sails which are pulled up with a halyard as required. They will likely have a number of different sizes which can be used to suit different conditions. A headsail which has a foot which goes past the mast is known as a genoa. A smaller one which doesn't go past the mast is called a jib. The trim of sails, or the side-to-side movement, is controlled by ropes called sheets. The main sheet is attached to the boom and controls the angle of the mainsail. Jib or genoa sheets are used to pull out the headsail and then to control the trim. Headsails will often have two sheets attached, one on each side of the boat. Which is used to control the trim depends on which side the wind is coming from, or which tack we are on. One sheet will be working while the other is referred to as being lazy.